Greetings to you all. Welcome to English Basic Quiz, Class 10, Unit 1 and 2. Dear children, today we are going to discuss the answers for the basic quiz. Listen carefully. Okay, children, now we'll see the questions. Question number 7. Which one is wrong according to the usage of articles in grammar? அதாவது there are some 4 sentences. In these 4 sentences, some articles are used, okay? So, which one is absolute wrong? சரியான தப்பு இது. Okay, and some things like confusions are also there, but எது தப்பான sentence we have to find out. Your option A is, it is an honorary past. Okay, it is an honorary. So, normally for H sound, we use an R. An honest man. So that is correct. அப்போ அது problem இல்லை. Second one, how fine a place it is. So actually this is an exclamatory sentence. How fine a place it is. Next one, this is an X-ray telescope. So that is also correct. An X-ray. D, Columbus discovered the America. So normally we do not use the for proper noun. Okay, the Brinda, the America. சொல்றதில்ல. So, Columbus discovered America. Here there is no article at all. We shouldn't use the before America. So, the answer is D. Our next question is, 8th question, children. The school was declared holiday dash rain. So, you have some options. On behalf of, on account of, on seeing, knowing. The school was declared holiday on account of rain. Okay, on behalf of will not come, on seeing or knowing will not come. The school was declared holiday on account of rain. Okay, moving on to the next question. Fill in with correct article. Article naka A and the. Fine, children. First one, I went to dash Chennai last week. So here what will come? A and the or no article. So just now I told you for proper noun, so Chennai and all, you shouldn't use any article at all. So I went to Chennai last week, that's all. Idhula ayo, ano, the, eduvum thevilla. Okay, fine, children. Moving on to the next one. Question 10. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. So suitable preposition we should use. My father looked dash the family. Okay, your prepositions are at, after, down, up. So my father looked after the family. Okay, looked after. All right. So moving on, next question, children. 11th question. What was Mrs. Krishnan busy with? So this question is from Zigzag. So Mr. Krishnan is a doctor, and Somu, he went to Alaska and giving the zigzag to this family. And Mrs. Krishnan, அதாவது lady, அந்த madam என்ன பிஸியாக இருக்கிறாங்க? Your options are music, painting, cooking, reading. So Mrs. Krishnan எதில் ரொம்ப பிஸியாக இருக்கிறாங்க? Mrs. Krishnan is busy with painting. Okay, fine, children. Moving on to the next question. 12th question. Even though I clearly said no. Okay, this is in inverted comma. So you have to identify the character or speaker for the above quote. Okay, நான் கிளியராக சொன்னேன், even though I clearly said no. நான் நோன்னு தான் சொன்னேன். இது யார் குறிக்குது? Your options are Visu, Maya, Mrs. Krishnan and Mr. Krishnan. நான் நோ தான் சொன்னேன். விஷுனா யாரு? அது குக். So it is not so அவங்கள குறிக்கல. No, it is not dealing with Visu. Or Maya, the little girl. No. Mrs. Krishnan. No. Lady, the mother or madam. So no. So நான் தான் சொன்னேன். So I said no. So this is said by Mr. Krishnan in his clinic. அதாவது Mr. Somu asked, no, shall I give you one zigzag? அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது நான் வேணான்னு சொன்னேன். I told him very clearly, no. Okay, even though I clearly said no, he said by Mr. Krishnan. So I hope all of you understood. Dear children, another one important thing I wish to share here. That is, we see the USA, the UK, the Czechoslovakia Republic, the West Indies, the Philippines, the Netherlands. But we don't use the India, the Pakistan, the China. அதாவது the USA, the UK எல்லாம் சொல்கிறோம். பட் the India, the China எல்லாம் சொல்கிறது இல்லை. Do you want to know why some countries use the? ஆனால் சில கண்ட்ரீஸ்க்கு ஏன் the யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? நார்மலாக ப்ராப்பர் நவுனுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறதில்லை. The countries which consist the words states, republic, kingdom, federation with their names, articles, the is used. அதாவது states, United States, kingdom, republic, federation இந்த மாதிரி வேர்ட்ஸ் இருந்ததுனாக்கா the யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் the United States, the United Kingdom, the Russian Federation அந்த மாதிரி. Next, the is also used with the countries consisting many islands. இன்னொரு விஷயம் என்னன்னாக்கா நிறைய ஐலண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் the Philippines, the Maldives, the West Indies அதெல்லாம் நிறைய தீவுகள். தீவுகள் கூட்டம் கூட்டமாக இருக்கிறனால அதுக்கும் the யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் United States of America and the United Kingdom also carry the definitive article because they are compound nouns with adjectives. சரியா? And one more thing, America is the name of a large landmass found in 16th century. North America and South America are the proper nouns, names of two continents, so we don't use the before them. One more thing is, in North America, 10 colonies united to form a nation, so they called themselves the United States of America. The was used as a large number of states were not a part of it, so it was used to distinguish. Similarly, United Kingdom could be any kingdom which was formed by uniting two or more kingdoms. So the word United Kingdom would specifically refer to the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. But India is a proper noun. India only refers to the country India. You don't need to specify which India. Okay, children? அதாவது கூட்டமாக கொத்தா குரூப்பாக இருக்கிறதுக்கு மட்டும் த யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். சிங்கிள் ப்ராப்பர் நவுனுக்கு த யூஸ் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. ஓகே, யூ கேன் லிசன் அகெயின். டோன்ட் மிஸ் டு வாட்ச் அதர் வீடியோஸ். தேங்க்யூ சில்ட்ரன். Hello.